Doctors rarely talk about it, but iodine could be the most underrated health secret of our time, especially if you're over 40. We don't need much iodine, but when you have a crystal of Celtic salt with every glass of water and do that crunch before you have your water, you're getting consistent, tiny amounts of iodine, but that's all we need. In this video, we're revealing 20 incredible benefits of iodine that can transform your health. From sharper brain function and balanced hormones to stronger immunity and faster healing. Whether you're struggling with fatigue, thyroid issues, or just want to boost overall wellness, iodine might be the missing link. Let's dive in and explore why this tiny mineral makes a huge difference. If you're interested in this topic, type I am ready right now. Just comment I am ready when I see your comment. I'll give you a heart. And if you want to help the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and help the channel a lot. 1. Doctor promotes fetal brain development. Iodine is an absolutely vital nutrient during pregnancy, directly influencing the healthy development of your baby's brain and central nervous system. A deficiency, even a mild one, can lead to serious and irreversible outcomes, such as impaired brain growth, reduced IQ, delayed motor skills, and lifelong learning difficulties. According to both the World Health Organization, WHO, and UNICEF, iodine deficiency remains one of the top preventable causes of intellectual disabilities globally. That's why ensuring sufficient iodine intake before and during pregnancy is non-negotiable. Just a few drops of high-quality liquid iodine daily, starting even when trying to conceive, can significantly enhance your baby's cognitive development and neurological health. For mothers-to-be, this tiny but powerful habit can lay the foundation for a sharper mind, better memory, and greater success for your child throughout life. Comment, every baby deserves the best start if you agree that iodine is essential for fetal brain development. 2. Enhances children's cognitive function. Iodine plays a critical role in supporting a child's cognitive abilities, especially during the early years when brain development is at its peak. Children with adequate iodine levels tend to exhibit sharper memory, better focus, improved problem-solving skills, and noticeably higher IQ scores. Numerous studies have found that kids living in iodine-sufficient regions consistently perform better on cognitive and academic tests compared to those in iodine-deficient areas. Even if a child didn't receive enough iodine during pregnancy, early supplementation can still help bridge the gap and enhance mental function. Personally, I make it a point to add a small, safe amount of liquid iodine to my 9-year-old son's water bottle each morning. It's a simple, effortless ritual that fuels his brain and supports long-term mental clarity. Think of iodine as daily nourishment for your child's growing mind. A smart step toward a brighter future. 3. It supports thyroid hormone production. Iodine is the cornerstone of thyroid health. It's the essential nutrient your body needs to produce the hormones T3, triiodothyronine, and T4, thyroxine, which regulate everything from metabolism and body temperature to mood and energy levels. When iodine is lacking, your thyroid can't function properly, leading to a sluggish metabolism, chronic fatigue, weight gain, sensitivity to cold, brain fog, and even depression. Unfortunately, modern diets filled with processed foods and grown in mineral-depleted soils often fail to provide adequate iodine. This silent deficiency disrupts hormonal balance and can impact your entire endocrine system. Replenishing iodine stores naturally revives thyroid activity, reawakens energy levels, sharpens mental clarity, and supports emotional balance. It's a foundational step for anyone struggling with low energy or unexplained weight issues. Your thyroid will thank you. Comment, healthy thyroid, healthy life, if you believe iodine is key to restoring energy and hormonal balance. 4. Prevents and reduces goiter. A goiter, an enlarged thyroid gland, is more than just a visible swelling in the neck. It's your body's desperate attempt to compensate for iodine deficiency. When iodine levels drop too low, the thyroid enlarges in an effort to capture more of this crucial mineral from the bloodstream. Left untreated, goiters can lead to discomfort, tightness, difficulty swallowing, and long-term thyroid dysfunction. The encouraging news? Iodine supplementation, especially when started in the early stages, can often shrink the goiter and restore normal thyroid function. Many integrative and functional medicine practitioners successfully use iodine therapy to reduce goiter size, rebalance hormone production, and relieve pressure symptoms. It's a time-tested, natural approach backed by decades of clinical success. Supporting your thyroid with iodine isn't just about prevention, it's about healing and restoring balance from the inside out. 5. Supports heart health. Your heart's rhythm and overall cardiovascular health are deeply influenced by your thyroid hormones, which in turn depend on adequate iodine levels. When your thyroid underperforms due to iodine deficiency, it can trigger a range of heart issues, including bradycardia, abnormally slow heartbeat, elevated cholesterol levels, and imbalanced blood pressure. These disruptions often go unexplained or misdiagnosed, yet iodine may be the missing link. By restoring iodine levels, you support healthy thyroid hormone production, which helps regulate heart rate, improve circulation, and stabilize lipid profiles. If you're dealing with persistent fatigue, palpitations, or unexplained high blood pressure, it might be time to consider whether iodine deficiency is quietly playing a role. Many people find that simple supplementation can bring surprising relief, giving your heart the hormonal harmony it needs to beat strong and steady. Comment: strong heart starts with balance if you believe iodine plays a vital role in cardiovascular wellness. 6. Boosts immune function. Iodine isn't just essential for thyroid health, it's also a powerful, time-tested immune booster. As one of nature's most effective antimicrobials, iodine enhances immune cell activity while actively destroying harmful pathogens like viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Its broad-spectrum defense is especially valuable during cold and flu season, when your body is more vulnerable to infection. Unlike antibiotics, iodine doesn't lead to resistance, making it a safe and sustainable option for long-term immune support. Studies from top medical institutions have shown that iodine can enhance your immune system's ability to respond quickly and efficiently to invaders. Personally, I reach for iodine at the first sign of illness or after travel and stressful periods. Just a few drops daily can act like an invisible shield, fortifying your body's natural defenses and helping you stay healthy year-round. 7. Regulates metabolism. Metabolism is more than just calories in and out. It's a complex hormonal process heavily influenced by iodine. This essential trace mineral fuels the production of ATP, powers mitochondrial function, and supports protein synthesis, all of which are key drivers of metabolic rate. When iodine is lacking, your metabolism can slow down significantly, leading to fatigue, weight gain, bloating, and low energy. Despite healthy eating, conditions like PCOS, metabolic syndrome, autoimmune thyroid disorders, and chronic fatigue syndrome are often linked to poor iodine status. The good news? Restoring iodine levels can reignite metabolic function, allowing your body to burn energy more efficiently and feel revitalized from the inside out. If you've been feeling sluggish or stuck, iodine could be the missing link your body has been craving to reset, recharge, and finally thrive. Comment: it's time to reset my metabolism if you believe iodine could be the key to boosting energy and burning fat naturally. 8. Balances reproductive hormones. Iodine plays a crucial yet often overlooked role in maintaining hormonal balance, especially for women. It directly supports the healthy function of the ovaries and uterus while regulating the delicate relationship between estrogen and progesterone. When iodine levels are optimal, many women experience relief from issues like PMS. Those dealing with estrogen dominance, menopausal symptoms, or irregular cycles often see noticeable improvement with consistent iodine intake. From teenage girls struggling with acne and hormonal shifts to women navigating perimenopause, iodine can be a game changer. Whether through iodine-rich seaweeds, quality supplements, or topical applications, this trace mineral helps restore hormonal harmony at every stage of life. If your reproductive system feels out of sync, iodine may be the foundational support your body has been missing. 9. Protects against radiation exposure. Iodine, particularly in the form of potassium iodide, serves as a powerful shield for your thyroid gland against radiation. When your thyroid is saturated with stable iodine, it becomes far less likely to absorb radioactive iodine. One of the primary threats during radiation exposure from sources like nuclear accidents, CT scans, or even routine dental x-rays. This protective effect is so well established that health authorities around the world stockpile iodine tablets for use in nuclear emergencies. But even outside of crisis situations, taking iodine before medical imaging involving radiation can significantly reduce your body's absorption of harmful isotopes. It's a simple, proactive measure that offers targeted protection for one of the body's most radiation-sensitive organs. Whether you're facing high-level exposure or just undergoing regular scans, iodine provides a smart layer of defense for long-term thyroid health. Comment "I protect my thyroid on purpose" if you believe iodine is a smart shield against radiation exposure. 10. Acts as a natural antioxidant. Iodine doesn't just support glands, it guards your cells too. As a powerful antioxidant, it neutralizes free radicals that cause oxidative stress, aging, and chronic disease. This is especially important if you're exposed to environmental toxins, pollutants, or EMFs. Iodine scavenges harmful molecules before they can damage DNA, collagen, and tissues, making it a silent warrior in your anti-aging and cancer prevention arsenal. 0.11. Accelerates wound healing. Ever wonder why iodine is the go-to antiseptic in hospitals? It's because it works fast and effectively. Iodine solutions like povidone iodine dramatically reduce infection risk, clear bacterial biofilms, and speed up tissue regeneration. Unlike alcohol-based antiseptics, iodine doesn't sting, making it ideal for treating cuts, burns, and surgical wounds. Whether you're restocking your home first aid kit or caring for post-op recovery, iodine belongs right next to your bandages and gauze pads. 11. Accelerates wound healing. There's a reason iodine has been a hospital staple for decades. It's one of the most effective antiseptics for wound care. Solutions like povidone iodine don't just disinfect, they also promote faster healing. Iodine works by eliminating a wide range of pathogens, clearing bacterial biofilms that hinder recovery, and stimulating tissue regeneration, all without damaging healthy cells. Unlike alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, iodine is gentle and non-stinging, making it ideal for everything from minor cuts and scrapes to burns and post-surgical wounds. It creates a clean, healing environment that helps prevent complications and speeds recovery. Whether you're building a first aid kit, caring for a loved one post-surgery, or treating everyday injuries, iodine deserves a permanent spot alongside your bandages and gauze pads. It's simple, effective, and trusted by healthcare professionals for a reason. Comment "Ioda's a must in every first aid kit" if you believe it's essential for safe and speedy healing. 12. Treats corneal infections. Iodine isn't just for thyroid or immune health, it also plays a valuable role in eye care. Research has shown that diluted povidone iodine is highly effective in treating bacterial keratitis, a serious infection of the cornea that can lead to scarring, vision impairment, or even blindness if not addressed promptly. In many parts of the world where access to antibiotics, sterile facilities, or ophthalmologists is limited, povidone iodine offers a simple, affordable, and life-changing solution. Its broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties make it ideal for rapidly eliminating the bacteria causing the infection while minimizing the risk of resistance. Global health programs are increasingly adopting iodine-based treatments as a frontline defense in preventing avoidable blindness. Whether used in clinics or field settings, this low-cost, high-impact intervention is redefining vision care, one drop at a time. 13. Protects gastric health. While iodine is widely recognized for its role in thyroid and immune function, emerging research highlights its protective effects on the digestive system, particularly the stomach lining. The gastric mucosa acts as a barrier against acids, pathogens and irritants, but can become inflamed or damaged due to H. pylori infections, chronic stress, or frequent use of NSAIDs. Iodine's powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties support mucosal integrity, helping to guard against gastritis, ulcers, and even some forms of stomach cancer. By reducing harmful bacterial load and promoting tissue repair, iodine can play a therapeutic role in gut healing. If you struggle with persistent heartburn, indigestion, bloating, or chronic gastritis, iodine may be the missing element in your digestive health regimen, an often overlooked ally in protecting and restoring your stomach's natural defenses. Comment: gut healing starts with the right minerals. If you believe iodine is a powerful ally for digestive protection. 14. Improves breast health. Here's an essential fact for every woman. Your breast tissue contains a high concentration of iodine receptors, second only to the thyroid. This means iodine plays a direct role in maintaining healthy breast structure and function. Conditions like fibrocystic breast disease, breast tenderness, and dense breast tissue often improve significantly with iodine therapy. Clinical studies have shown that iodine can reduce swelling, soften cysts, alleviate pain, and even normalize breast density, making routine screenings more accurate. I teach this extensively in my breast health course because the results are often life-changing. Whether you're navigating PMS, perimenopause, or postmenopause, iodine provides powerful support for comfort, hormonal balance, and potentially even cancer prevention. It's a natural, evidence-backed way to take charge of your breast health and feel more empowered in your body every step of the way. 15. Heals chronic wounds. Iodine has long been a trusted tool in wound care, but its advanced applications in healing chronic wounds are truly remarkable. In clinical settings, especially for diabetic patients, the elderly, or those recovering from surgery, iodine-infused dressings have become a game changer. These specialized bandages release iodine slowly and consistently into the wound site, where they combat infection, dissolve stubborn biofilms, and stimulate new tissue growth. For individuals suffering from non-healing ulcers, pressure sores, or surgical wounds, this approach has literally saved limbs and lives. Unlike standard antiseptics, iodine not only disinfects, but also promotes regeneration without harming surrounding healthy tissue. Its ability to create a clean, healing environment makes it indispensable in both hospital and home care settings. When used thoughtfully and consistently, iodine showcases its true power as a healing agent, restoring what once seemed beyond repair. Comment: healing is possible with the right care if you believe iodine has the power to restore even chronic wounds. 16. Disinfects water. Iodine isn't just a nutrient, it's a survival essential when clean water isn't guaranteed. Whether you're hiking rugged trails, travelling off-grid, or preparing for natural disasters, iodine offers a powerful way to purify drinking water. A few drops of 2% iodine tincture can neutralize harmful microorganisms like E. coli, Giardia, and waterborne viruses within minutes. This method has been trusted for decades by military forces, backpackers, and emergency response teams around the world. For clear water, add 5 drops per quart. If the water is cloudy, use 10 drops and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. The result? Safe, drinkable water in almost any situation. Unlike bulky filters or tablets, iodine is lightweight, compact and shelf-stable, making it perfect for bug-out bags or travel kits. When access to clean water could mean the difference between sickness and survival, iodine provides simple, effective opportunities to peace of mind. 17. Improves oral health. Iodine is a powerful ally when it comes to maintaining a healthy mouth. Its natural antiseptic and antimicrobial properties make it highly effective against gum disease, abscesses, tooth decay, and even persistent bad breath. Used as a diluted mouth rinse or applied directly to the gums, iodine can reduce inflammation, kill harmful oral bacteria, and help prevent infections from spreading into the bloodstream, where they can affect your heart and overall health. Some forward-thinking dentists even use iodine to treat root infections, sterilize surgical sites, and promote healing in gum tissue after dental procedures. For those who are prone to recurring dental problems or lack immediate access to a clinic, iodine offers a powerful and affordable home care solution. It supports not only cleaner teeth and fresher breath, but also contributes to systemic wellness by protecting one of the body's most infection-prone areas, your mouth. Comment healthy mouth, healthy body if you believe iodine belongs in every oral care routine. 18. Treats fungal infections. Fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm and nail fungus can be incredibly stubborn. But iodine offers a surprisingly effective solution. Its broad-spectrum antimicrobial power includes potent antifungal action that disrupts the integrity of fungal cell membranes, stopping the infection at its source. Unlike many over-the-counter creams that only offer temporary relief, iodine works deeper, especially when applied consistently. Just add a small amount of iodine directly onto the affected area daily, and over time you'll often see noticeable clearing, reduced itching, and healthier skin or nails. It's affordable, accessible, and doesn't require a prescription, making it a smart addition to any home remedy toolkit. For those tired of recurring fungal flare-ups or looking for a natural alternative to chemical treatments, iodine delivers lasting results backed by science and decades of real-world use. 19. Prevents childhood cavities. Tooth decay is one of the most common and preventable chronic conditions in children. Emerging research shows that using a 10% povidone iodine mouth rinse periodically can significantly reduce the bacteria responsible for cavities, especially Streptococcus mutans. This simple, low-cost intervention is particularly helpful for kids who've had multiple rounds of antibiotics, which often disrupt the natural balance of oral microbiota. Iodine helps rebalance and protect the mouth without harming beneficial flora. When incorporated into your child's oral hygiene routine, whether weekly or monthly, it can dramatically lower their risk of dental caries. Pediatric dentists and public health programs are increasingly embracing iodine as a preventative tool, especially in areas with limited access to fluoride or dental care. It's a small but powerful step that can help safeguard your child's smile for years to come. Comment, every child deserves a cavity-free smile, if you believe iodine should be part of kids' oral care routines. 20. Speeds. C-section, recovery. A C-section is a major surgical procedure, and the risk of post-operative infection is a serious concern. That's why hospitals use iodine-based solutions, such as povidone iodine, to sterilize the skin before and after the incision. This powerful antiseptic dramatically reduces microbial load and supports faster, cleaner healing. But recovery doesn't end at the hospital. Having your own povidone iodine at home can further protect the incision site, minimize scarring, and prevent complications during those crucial weeks post-discharge. Applying it as directed helps keep the area clean, dry, and free from harmful bacteria. For new mums, this simple step offers peace of mind and promotes a smoother healing experience. If you're putting together a postpartum care kit, povidone iodine is a thoughtful, practical addition that shows real care for both comfort and safety. Bonus, how to test for iodine deficiency. If you're unsure whether you're deficient, don't guess, test. I offer at-home iodine testing kits that make it easy to get an accurate picture of your levels. Based on your results, you'll know the exact type and dosage of iodine your body needs. I've linked those resources below. Most adults require between 150 to 300 mg daily, but depending on your condition, your needs might be higher. Some of my patients require 3 times the standard amount, always under supervision, never exceed 2 meals a day without medical guidance. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, supplement routine or health practices, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medications or have a medical condition. Individual health needs and responses to supplements like iodine may vary. The content in this video is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. Reliance on any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Iodine might be a small mineral, but as you've seen today, it makes a massive impact on your health, from your brain and thyroid to your heart, hormones and healing. If you learn something new or feel inspired to take charge of your wellness, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive health content like this.